Industry 4.0 has changed the face of manufacturing forever. Cyber-physical systems, the industrial Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence accelerate manufacturing, improve product quality, and keep production running strong. As born-in-the-cloud newcomers enter the competitive landscape, with the inherent business agility of Industry 4.0 already in place, mature OEMs must modernize their supply chains or run the risk of being left behind. But modernization takes time and resources away from your existing work streams and can threaten customer relationships and your brand reputation. When you partner with Data Global Lifecycle Management, you can start releasing capital from your existing operations so you can accelerate your modernization by focusing on what matters most to your business. Let Data Global Lifecycle Management handle your supply chain, logistics, and global services delivery while your teams focus on the road ahead. If you think you know tech data, think again. Contact us today and see how we can work together to take your business into the next industrial revolution and beyond.